Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
Neela. Ramya.
Alright, I have Neela and Ramya for today's anagrams quiz. One must be wondering why they have slates in their hand. So, what are anagrams? Anagrams are basically words made out of letters from the same word but totally different meaning and totally different word. Alright?
Okay.
That is what an anagram is. So, I have 5-letter anagrams today. I will be giving you guys one word and you have to make the other word and give it to me. Alright?
Okay.
So, the person who gives it first gets the point. Some words might have one or more words, okay? So if you give me one and she gives me another one, both of you will get the point. All right, okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay,
Done.
shall we start the game? Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, the first one is Earth, EARTH, Earth. You can give it out, you can say it.
Heart.
Heart. Okay, heart it is. Yes. So Ramya has got it. Okay, so that's how it is. Heart. All right. Let's go to the next one. The next word is alert. 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 There are two and more words, I believe. Do you guys know it, guys? Have you given it yet?
This one.
Say it.
Altar.
Altar.
Oh,
Yes, altar it is. There was another word. I'll leave it to you guys to leave it in the comments. What is the other word there? Alright, let's go to the next one. Altar it is. Okay, the next one. Break. 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 Say it.
What is it?
Break.
That
So
is not you.
I told this break.
Oh, I wrote
Say it, say it.
Baker.
Yes, break. So she had written break and she said baker. Yes. So both are right. Her break was BRAKE.
I wrote this one
break.
only.
When
but
I said break, she wrote it. I
Correct.
said it. That's why. That's the reason I'm spelling out what I'm saying. BREAK. Because
Last time
sometimes-
also I did the same thing.
Yeah, I said alert. She wrote altar only, but she wasn't saying
What
it.
is this?
Okay, come on, Neela, you're fast with this. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys. So, break, she's had break, the bike wala break, and she had baker. Both were right. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, crate, CRATE, crate. RATE, crate.
Great.
Come on. Make
Trace.
Perfect. Yes, trace it is. I was just going to say make smaller words and then add letters here and there. You know, it kind of helps you in creating the word. So, trace it is. Perfect. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one is tacos or tacos. TACOS.
TAS.
TACOS. TACOS. Tacos.
Coast.
Yes, coast it is. Alright, coast I think is the only word. So if you guys feel there are more words apart from what the participants are saying, you can always leave it in the comment, guys. Alright, let's go to the next one. The next one is elbow. ELBOW. Elbow.
Can I say it?
Please.
Bowel.
Wow. Okay, even she said it at the same time, but I had a different word in mind. I didn't have vowel in my mind, but yes, vowel is also correct. The one that I am referring to also starts with B. Okay, but it is not vowel. It is another word. All right, but
Below.
vowel, yes, below
Not
it
supposed to
is.
say
That's okay. You still told it. So vowel below both. So okay, so vowel both of them said it at the same time. All right, let's go to the next one. Next one is smile. SMILE. Smile.
Mile. Miles.
Perfect. Same time. Miles. But there is another word that you can be made with this, and kids love to play with it.
Slime.
Exactly. Slime it is.
I
So
was supposed to
miles
let them
and
answer.
slime. That's fine. Alright. Slime and miles it is. Okay, smile. Okay. Guys, are you following this? Because they are really fast. Faster than I expected them to be. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Huh?
Beard. Beard.
Beard, correct. Yes, beard it is. B-E-A-R-D. Beard. Yes, beard it is. Alright, you can be louder, Neela, you're faster, you're correct also. Alright, let's go to the next one. The next one is horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse.
Sure. Sure.
Yes, sure it is. Wow, almost at the same time. I'm not sure who said it first
I
though.
think she said it.
But sure it is. Yes, sure.
I'm sure she said it.
Oh yes, if she is sure, it is right. Alright, let's go to the next one, guys. The next word is least. L-E-A-S-T. Least.
Steel.
Steel. Yes. Even before writing it, she got it. Okay, steel, it is S-T-E-A-L. Steel. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. This one has multiple answers, so I'm not sure who's going to tell me which one. The word is plate. P-L-A-T-E.
Pleat.
Okay, pleat is right. There is one more that I have. If you guys know it, put it in the comments. Pleat. P-L-E-A-T. Pleat it is. Alright, let's go to the next one. The next word is skate. S-K-A-T-E. Skate.
Takes.
Okay, I'll take that. Okay, that's a plural generally. But then takes is also right. There is one more word. I'll give one extra point if you find that one. Come on. Let's see. Takes is correct. You get the point for that. There's one more word. Come on, Neela. This is an extra point just in between the game that I feel like giving it to them. So it's something that is eaten.
Steak.
Exactly, steak it is. Okay, so there are multiple other words also. I'm sure you'll know them, so you can put them in the comments. So for now, steak it is. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next word is saint. S-A-I-N-T. Saint.
Stain.
Correct. Stain it is. Right. Okay, Ramya is getting faster. Neela, come on. Yes, let's go to the next one. The next is panel. P-A-N-E-L. Panel.
Plain.
Yes, you can
She
say
also
it louder. You actually almost said it. Yes. Plain it is. Perfect. Great. Okay. The next one is begin. Begin. Okay, begin, guys.
Binge.
Binge. Correct. That's it. That's the word. Binge is a broadly used term for watching series or shows on a continuous basis. Alright. Okay, binge it is. We are now on the bonus question, guys. 2 points for this one. Let's see who gets this one. Alright. The bonus question is, the word is cider. C-I-D-E-R. Cider.
Cried.
Yes, cried it is. Perfect. Alright, Ramya gets the bonus question. So, before I announce the winner for today's quiz, here's the question for you guys. So, your word for today is weird. W-E-I-R-D. Weird. Guys, you need to leave your answers in the comments for this one. What is the anagram for weird? Alright. And the winner for today's quiz is Ramya! Hope you guys enjoyed today's quiz, learned a lot of new words and their anagrams. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our regular videos. Until then, we'll see you all soon. Bye.